Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace a battery on a Nissan push to start fob. It's very simple. All you need is a flathead screwdriver. You got this slide button. You slide it to the side, then you can take the emergency key out. Then as you see, there is a small gap here. You put the screwdriver there and you just turn it and the key will pop a little bit. Then you just go around very carefully. Okay, because we don't want to hurt anything here, because if you hurt on one of these chip inside, the key will not be functioning anymore, so just be careful with that. Okay, then we're going to just take this battery out. It's 2032 battery. I'm going to put a new one in, same way we took it out. Then we're going to just put the key back together. It's very simple, you can do it yourself, and thank you for watching.